Hello everyone, welcome to Tutology, your learning destination. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a small business owner, or someone just curious to learn, this series is designed for you. Excel is one of the most powerful tools used in every industry, from marketing and finance to logistics, data analytics, and even creative planning. So grab your seat, open your laptop or mobile, and let's dive in. So, first things first, what is Microsoft Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. You can think of it as a giant table with rows and columns where you can store, organize, calculate, and analyze data. People use Excel to do things like track expense and budgets, analyze business performance, prepare reports and dashboards, automate tasks using formulas and functions, and even create charts and visual presentation. Alright, now let's jump into Excel. When you open Excel, here's what you will see. When you open Excel, you will be welcomed by this screen. Let's select a blank workbook to get started. A file in Excel is called a workbook, and inside it are worksheet. Here you can see Excel is made up of cells and each cell has a name like A1, B1, etc. This is the name box where you can see the cell name. You can see the cell number is there, and after that you can see the ABC. This is the columns go vertically, and this 1 2 3, this is the rows go horizontally. At the top of that you can see home, insert, page layout are there. This is all are the tabs like home tabs, insert tabs, and under this home tab here you can see this is the font command and alignment command, number command, and all these commands are available under the ribbon. This gray vertical box is called ribbon, and just below the ribbon this is the formula bar where you can input the formula and get the result. This is the formula you can see here in formula bar. Here I am type 2 and input the formula is equal to this one plus this one, and after that I just select all. Here at the bottom you can see Excel show information like average, sum, and count of selected cells, handy for quick check. From here you can rename the sheet, add extra sheet, or delete different sheet at the bottom. Here I can add some more sheets and rename the sheets like homework. After that here we can take some data. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you want to track your monthly expenses. Here I can take date, description, category, and amount. After that I input the date like 1st August 2025. Here by default Excel can generate this as a date format. I can take description like grocery, internet, and movie. In category I can choose food, utility, and entertainment. After that I type the amount like food 1200, utility 800, and entertainment 500. Here you can see the description word is not visible fully, and also the entertainment word is not visible. So here we can just set the column width. So first just put the mouse columns you want to change, then double click. After that the entire word is visible. Next I want to highlight those headings. I can just select entire heading and next click this bold. You can see my heading is already highlighted. Next I change those number as a currency format. I can simply select this and go here and select general to currency. Now the all number is a currency format. After the decimal 0, I not need it, so I can reduce this. Next we can total the amount column. So first we choose B and C and then select margin center, and here we can type total. After that I calculate the total amount is equal to, select the first one plus next one plus the last one and enter. Then I highlight the total amount and also put a border. First select the entire data and go here border section and select all border. After that I can input here a title. First select the entire column and margin center, and let's type, this is a August datasheet, so I can type here August, and I also bold the title. After that the data is look like this. I can zoom the data. Next you save the data, go to file and here save as, and you can select where you can want to save this data, like desktop, and I can rename the file. You can see here .xlsx is the file extension used for Microsoft Excel workbook files created in Excel 2007 and later. Excel always give this as a by default. I know that starting something new can feel overwhelming, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. You don't have to learn everything in one day. In the next video, I will teach you how to enter your data, format it and make it look neat and professional. So make sure subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Like and comment it if you found this helpful, and feel free to ask question. I will answer as many as I can in the comments.